Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing this week? In Ohio, it is snowing out and Salem is playing in an empty box by my feet. I am at home. Life is good. Hope life is good wherever you are. So you saw in the title of this video, this week we are doing the January Ipsy unboxing, unbagging if you will. So here is our bag, our little mailer. It came in. And if you haven't watched before, I've done one of these demos before where I will also show you guys, in addition to what comes in my bag, also do a little bit of shade swatching or demos for any of the stuff that is applicable to that. These bags currently run at $12 each month. Full disclosure though, even though this is $12, they do charge shipping too, so the amount actually taken from my account was $12.87. If that extra 87 cents sets you apart, now you know, sis. So here is the bag for the month. I love how this feels. It feels like, I don't know, almost like rubbery. It's very weird. We've never had a bag like this in like the years that I have subscribed to this. So it's got, of course, the little zipper on there, and the items are all inside. They have started, this is new since I started subscribing to this monthly thing. I think I've been having this for like over 2 years now, but they have added these little inserts which are really helpful to tell you what all comes in it and how you use it. So usually you get like 5 items in here, so we'll see what we get. Now this first one, ooh, I do see is a cleansing balm, which is really good because I just ran out of the one I was using. Do any of you guys use cleansing balms? Because I literally just got turned on to them and I'm like, hello, where have I been this whole time? Usually I use like cleansers where you have to add water and lather it, and then like water drips down your arms over the sink and it's a whole like mess. The balms are so much more mess free. I've only used one from Good Molecules though, and I liked it, but I was curious to try out some other ones just to see like, do I just like it because I have literally nothing to compare it to, or do I actually like it? So I'm super excited to get this in here. This is from Vanilla Co. This is the Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm Original. It's a really cool like frosty pink bottle here, and this one says it starts as a balm, transforms into an oil, then into a milky lotion that deserves all dirt, oil, and makeup. Plus, it is hypoallergenic in its formula and safe for all skin types, which is awesome. So they're saying that this deluxe sample is what's included, but the full size of the product is $19 if you want to repurchase that. I think that's new this month, you guys. I don't think they told us before how much the full size product was. That's really useful information for me to know, because what if I want to repurchase it and I don't know? Like, that's really nice to know. So that's the first item in here. Next, we have this Araceli, sorry if I'm not pronouncing that right, Beauty Ojos Perfectos liquid eyeliner, which Ojos Perfectos in Spanish is perfect eyes. So this is in Coffee/Cafe, which excites me so much because I've been really into brown eyeliners lately. I've been using this one in shade Whiskey. I'm not wearing it today, but I've used it maybe in some other videos. I don't know. I don't remember, guys, but I really like brown eyeliner on work days. It's just a little more subtle in my mind. So this one is a chocolate brown liquid liner, and it is from beauty vlogger and entrepreneur Araceli. It has a felted tip, and it is long lasting and smudge proof. So this, the full size is what we have. This is full size, which I love that you get full size products in Ipsy too, is $16. Now again, I want to remind you guys, this is $12.80 some cents plus shipping. Now if we have one item that's $16, there's your bag right there. So to me, that's cool to know that I'm getting my money's worth. I'm getting the value back. So that's the second item we have. Next, I feel a box. Ooh, girl, I was just talking about in my video from last week. If you guys watched, I was talking about Ciate London and the bronzer that I really liked, that I completely like, not only hit pan, but like used the whole dang thing up. Even though it was a little baby like sample size, I still like, I used a whole bronzer, you guys. It's a feat in itself. So I'm really excited to see that I have a Ciate London Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. Because that's the only thing I've tried from their brand is that bronzer And I've tried an eyeliner, which the eyeliner wasn't as much my favorite, but look at this embossing. You guys, it's so cool. It's like raised up, almost like a baked one. And then it's got some embossing in it. So I just realized I need swatches for you. The other one, I'm not gonna swatch the makeup-y remover stuff because that would be like, you can't really swatch that, but I will open it and show it to you. This is what it looks like, just like a clear gel that you like scoop out and put on your face. The liquid eyeliner, I'll give you a little swatch on my hand here. Wow, that is very pigmented, you guys, and that does not look at all like it is bleeding. You know, sometimes it like bleeds into your skin and goes everywhere. That is not. Holy crap, I'm excited for that. I will say this cap feels like one that doesn't snap on very easily, so make sure you close it tight, because I've had that happen with me before where I don't close the cap on all the way and it dries out and then it's done. It's like gone. There's nothing you can do about it. So be careful about that. This is in shade Matchmaker, the Ciate London Illuminating Blush. Oh, it's so pretty, you guys. Here it is, swatched on my arm. It's a very natural color. It's just like a little hint, like a little healthy glow, which is exactly what I'm down for. That's one of the things, you guys, that I love the most about Ipsy, is the fact that they ask you for your feedback. You get points for your feedback that you can redeem for more free items in your next bag. And they actually listen to your reviews. If you say, girl, I don't like this shade, it's too dark for my fair skin, I have noticed they absolutely do adjust you as you go. They listen. If you say, I prefer getting less glosses, I like liquid lipsticks more, whatever it is, I truly feel like they listen to you. So keep that in mind when you're looking. I know there's a lot of subscription things out there, but I don't think anything else is as low as $12 other than maybe the Sephora Play box. I think is only $10, but there's not that many other things that can compete with it. Like BoxyCharm's $25, which people are like, 25 is not bad. I'm like, girl, this is 12. That's double by the time you add in shipping. That's double the amount. I don't need full-size products all the time. I just want to play and, you know, create and find new stuff. So, sorry, side rant. This Ciate London blush, the full size of this is $26. So this is the deluxe sample size that they sent us. So we have, I think it looks like 2 more items. So we are getting 5 items total plus the bag for that $12.80 something. Oops. So next we have in here, this is the Joel Smith Beauty Power Gloss in Moonbeam Dream. This is an iridescent lavender gloss. Ooh, that sounds so fun. And it's shiny but not sticky, has vitamins A and E. And this is, they recommend you use it as a lip topper over your favorite lipstick and not just by itself. So keep that in mind when I show you guys the swatch, that it is meant to be a lip topper and not by itself, which obviously when you see the swatch on my arm, it's gonna be by itself. Oh, that lavender is so pretty. I don't know how well it's gonna pick up on film here. It's right here underneath the eyeliner in my hand, but it does have a very pale lavender sheen to it. And that would be definitely a pretty lip topper, but I will say it's super sheer. Like I have some Milani lip toppers that are a bit more pigmented in this one. So we'll see how I feel about it when I'm actually like using it on the lips. The last item in our bag I'm super excited for. This is the Morphe Fluidity Full Coverage Concealer. Yes, you guys, I actually just bought from Ulta the foundation because I wanted to try it, and I only got the foundation. Okay, so the foundation's $18, but now I have the concealer to try with it, which is so cool. They sent this to me in shade 1.55. This is the full size, which is valued at $9. And this is supposed to cover dark circles, redness, breakouts, basically anything you want. It is long-lasting, water-resistant, transfer-resistant, sweat-proof for up to 16 hours. And you can also like obviously clean up like your lipstick or your brows or whatever with this. This is, like I said, C1.55 and soft matte. I've never, guys, I just told you I've had this subscription for over 2 years. I've literally never, I don't think, ever gotten a concealer. So here's what it looks like. It looks a little like pinky peachy in the light here, so hopefully it's not when I put it on. I'm gonna put it somewhere else so it's not by the lip gloss. So here is down here. I actually think that's quite a nice match for my skin tone, especially once I have it on my face and under my eyes. I'm just gonna use my finger and try to like blend it a little bit to see, you know, how does it blend out. Obviously I wouldn't be doing this with my finger, but just to see. So there it is down there. Like you can, the fact that you can barely see it and it's right here, like my hand is on it now, to me that goes, gee, I think they matched my shade pretty well if you can't even see it on my arm anymore. And it blended out without losing coverage. So I'm really excited to find that use that on my face, guys. So guys, that's the bag. We had all 5 things. We had the bag, we had the concealer, we had the cleansing balm, the eyeliner, the blush, and the lip gloss. To me, that's a win. And they were not all brands we've never heard of. Like, I definitely have heard of Ciate London and Morphe before. The other 3 I hadn't, but that doesn't bother me. I know some people complain about unknown brands, but it doesn't bother me at all. So I hope you guys liked this unbagging and that it was helpful for any of you that are thinking about getting Ipsy. If you already get Ipsy, let me know. Did you guys get different items than me? I know they don't send the same thing to everyone. Did you get the same thing as me? How do you feel about the value of the bag versus the products you got inside? Let me know down in the comments below. I love talking to you guys in the comments. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. You've made it all the way this far in the video, so you might as well stick around, join the family. I make new videos every week and upload them on Sundays. Would love to have you as part of the dialogue in the comments below. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.